Hello students, I am Poulami ma'am and welcome to Concept to Remember series of Ogroni.
In this video, you are going to learn about the division Pteridophyte. Pteridophytes include ferns and horsetail. They do not produce seeds. They reproduce through spores. Since they do not bear any distinct visible reproductive structure, they are called cryptogams, where cryptos means hidden and gams means marriage in Greek language. They are also called the first true terrestrial plant. Let us now look into the general characteristics of pteridophyte. Habitat. They grow in high humidity, shady, cool places, especially in the foothills of mountain. Cellular profile. They are eukaryotic multicellular photosynthetic organism. Body structure. Sporophyte is the main dominant plant body in pteridophytes, which are diploid and have true leaves or fronds, true stem or rhizome, and true roots. Unlike bryophytes, pteridophytes are vascular plants. That is, they have xylem and phloem vessels. Xylem for water transport and phloem for nutrient transport. This allowed pteridophytes to grow upright and transport water from soil to leaves. Unlike moss, which is like a green mat on the mountains. Reproduction. Reproduction in pteridophytes begins in sporophylls, which are specialized leaves that bear clusters of sporangia called sori. Inside the sporangium, the diploid spore mother cell undergoes meiosis to produce haploid spores. These haploid spores are released in the environment and on reaching a suitable substratum develops into a very small, about few millimeter to 1 centimeter heart-shaped gametophyte. These gametophytes are photosynthetic and independent of the sporophyte. Gametophyte can be monoecious, that is, they can bear both the male sex organ or antheridium and the female sex organ called archegonium. Gametophyte can also be dioecious, which means male and female sex organs are born in two different gametophytes. Antheridium produces male sex gametes called sperms, whereas archegonium produces a single female sex gamete called the egg. Like bryophytes, pteridophytes also need water for fertilization. When there is adequate water, antheridium releases the sperm cells. The sperm cells swim through the water using flagella. These sperms are attracted towards the archegonium because of the chemicals released from it, which is also called chemotactic movement. Sperm cells reaches the archegonium and only one single sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell in the archegonium to produce a diploid zygote. This diploid zygote develops into the embryo. Initially, the growing embryo takes nutrient from the gametophyte, but quickly develops its own roots and leaves and becomes a dominant independent diploid sporophyte, and the remaining gametophyte withers away. So, we can see that pteridophytes like bryophytes also show alternation of generation, where a diploid sporophyte through meiosis produces haploid spores. These haploid spores develops into a haploid gametophyte. These haploid gametophyte produces haploid gametes, which on fertilization produces diploid zygote. and this diploid zygote develops into an independent diploid sporophyte and the process continues. Pteridophytes also reproduce asexually by fragmentation, in which the stem or rhizome break due to decay and the fragments develop into a new plant. B. Bulbils or gemma formation. Bulbils or gemma are formed on the leaves. These bulbils or gemma detach and root in the soil and grows into a new plant. For better understanding, let us compare pteridophytes to bryophytes. Vascular tissue is absent in bryophytes but present in pteridophytes. Dominant phase in bryophyte is haploid gametophyte, whereas dominant phase in pteridophyte is diploid sporophyte. Bryophytes do not have true roots, but true roots, stems and leaves are present in pteridophytes. Both bryophytes and pteridophytes need water for fertilization to happen. How pteridophytes are important to us. Azolla or water fern live in symbiosis with nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria and are used in production of biofertilizers. Young frond of Sarsinate dioxys is used as food. Rhizome of Dryopteris is used to produce antihelminthic drugs to treat parasitic worm infection. Ferns are also valued for decorative horticulture purpose. Let us do a quick recap of what we have learned from today's video. Habitat. They grow in moist, cool and shady environment. Structure. The dominant plant body is vascular sporophyte with true roots, stems and leaves. Reproduction is mainly through spores, showing alternation of generation. Water is strictly required for fertilization. They also reproduce asexually by fragmentation and budding. Pteridophytes are used as food, biofertilizers, antihelminthic drug and for horticulture purpose. With this, I am coming to the end of this video. In our next video, you will learn about the division gymnosperms. Till then, happy self-study and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.